In this video, let me show you how to fix Instagram lag on Android. If you're having this lag issue while using your Instagram app, in this video, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. You'll need to try each step that I'm going to show you and try out which one works for you. So the first thing that you can do is clear the cache of your Instagram app. Caches are the temporary files which have been downloaded automatically. So whenever these caches pile up, these lags start to happen. So what you can do is tap and hold the app of Instagram and tap on this eye icon or the app info. Once you do, it's going to take you to the settings of your phone. From here, you just need to tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Once that is done, your caches will be immediately cleared out. The second thing that you can also do is you can also tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. This is gonna log you out of your Instagram account, so you'll again need to log into it. So try this out and see if this fixes the lag. If this does not help you out, the other thing that you can also do is update your Instagram app. Head over to the Play Store, search for Instagram, and if there are any new updates available, you can just tap on update and update your app. If the lag is happening due to a bug, then updating applications will surely help to fix your issue. Now, if none of these steps are helping you out, then that may be because your space is running out on your Android phone. If you have tons of applications downloaded, or if you have tons of files stored on your phone, then your Android phone will surely be lagging. So in this case, what I suggest you to do is uninstall applications that you don't use, and also remove any unwanted files that you don't use, or maybe back it up or send it to any other device or cloud storage. This is a great way of clearing out data from your phone but still back up in different places. Once you do these couple of steps and you're still facing this lagging issue, the last thing that you can do is reset your phone, which is the factory reset. Once you do, all of the data included on your phone will be removed. So before you do that, make sure you back it up, every data that you need, onto a different device or onto a cloud storage. Once you reset your device, your Instagram lag should be fixed. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.